Alright guys, today we're going to do the worksheet number 1 on the octet rule. Before I get started with it, you need to make sure that you know what's going on with periodic tables. So I'd pull out a periodic table, pause the video, grab one, and make sure that you write this information down. You need to know valence electrons. They are 1, 2, we skip the D block, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as we look down the families, the groups, the columns, whatever you want to call them, these are the number of valence electrons. Your group numbers are 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, or if you prefer 1 through 18, where this one would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, that's another way to do it. You also need to know that column 1, these are the alkali metals. And group 2, these are the alkaline earth metals. If you don't know that, you need to make sure you write them down. Alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. Group 7, these are the halogens. And number 8, these are the noble gases. So you need to know those names. Groups 3, 4, 5, and 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A are the boron group, the carbon group, the nitrogen group, and the oxygen group. We never came up with good names for them. All right, with that in mind, you should be able to do the worksheet. Obviously, these numbers that are up here, these big ones, these are your atomic numbers. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the worksheet. You need to look at your periodic table because I'm looking at mine. Okay? All right. The symbol for sodium is Na. It's in group 1A. It is atomic number 11. It is an alkali metal, so I'm just going to do little marks there. It is an alkali metal. It's the same thing. And it has 1 valence electron because it's in group 1A. Potassium is directly below sodium. Tassium. It is atomic number 19. It is also an alkali metal. Let's just do that, alkali metal, because I'm lazy. And it has 1 valence electron. And your last one is francium. Francium is number 87. It is also an alkali metal, and it has 1 valence electron. It's all the way down at the bottom of group 1. If we go on to the next one, we have number 20. Number 20 is calcium. Calcium is Ca. Its group name is an alkaline earth metal, so I'm going to write that one out. Alkaline earth metal. And alkaline earth metals, all alkaline earth metals, have 2 valence electrons. So if I look at barium, barium's almost all the way down at the bottom of the column. Still an alkaline earth metal. So that's barium. Barium is number 56. Right? Its group name is an alkaline earth metal, which means it still has 2 valence electrons. Magnesium is directly above calcium. Magnesium is number 12. And it's also an alkaline earth metal, which means that it has 2 valence electrons. And how about strontium? Well, strontium is between calcium and barium. And its atomic number is 38. It is also an alkaline earth metal, and it also has 2 valence electrons. Isn't it nice we kept them all together? Now your next one's aluminum. You have to look over to the right a little bit to find aluminum. Aluminum is symbol Al. Its atomic number is 13. It is in group 13 or group 3A. You could say it either way. Or even the aluminum group if you want. Right? And being there, it has 3 valence electrons. Now how about nitrogen? Nitrogen is symbol N. Nitrogen is number 7. It's in group 15 or group 5A if you will. 5A. Or it's in the nitrogen group, and it has 5 valence electrons because it's in group 5A. Now, as we look at P, P is directly below nitrogen. P is phosphorus. And phosphorus is number 15. And it also is in group 15, or group 5A, or the nitrogen group if you prefer. And there are 5 valence electrons. All right, we look over to sulfur. It tells us it's in group 16. Sulfur is S. It's number 16. It's in group 16. And it has 6 valence electrons because it's in group 16. If we look directly above oxygen, we'll see atomic number 8. Atomic number 8 is oxygen. So it's O, atomic number 8. It is also in group 16, or the group 6A, if you will. Sorry, I should write that as a, let's try that again. Group 16 or group 6A, and that also has 6 valence electrons. All right, I think this is our last one. We're going to do fluorine. Fluorine is symbol F. It's at the top of the halogens. It is atomic number 9. It is group name halogen. And it has 7 valence electrons because it's in group 7A. Now, if we look for number 35 is further down the periodic table. Number 35 is Br, which is bromine. And bromine is also a halogen. And since it's also a halogen, it has 7 valence electrons. Well, let me work backwards. Iodine is still in group 7A. So it is also a halogen. It is atomic number, what am I looking for? Iodine. It's number 53. And its name is iodine. Argon, look over to the right. It's all the way on the right. It's number 18. It's Ar, and it is a noble gas. All right, which as a result, it has 8 valence electrons. Its valence shell is full. And if we look directly above it, we will see neon, which is number 10, which is also a noble gas. Its symbol is Ne, and it's neon. Okay, I think that's it. Have a good afternoon. Let me know if you have questions. See you in class. Bye.